Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to edit a video background in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store. After logging into your Shopify store, go to your Shopify admin page. After going on your Shopify admin page, click on online store button that is from the left side of the menu bar. Now click on themes button. After clicking on theme, click on actions button. After clicking on actions button, click on duplicate button. Click on duplicate button. This is to make a duplicate website for safety if you cause any problem. Now click on actions button and click on edit code. Click on edit code button. You will see side menu bar on the left corner. Now click on sections. Click on sections button. After clicking on the sections button, click on the add new section button. Now click on create section button. After clicking create section button, you have to copy and paste the code here. After copying and pasting the code here, click on the save button. Next, you will go to settings button. After going to the settings button, you have to copy the link of the video that you want to paste here. After copying the link of the video, go to the online store button, which is on the left side of the page. Click on the themes button and click on customize. Now your online store will open. Now a menu bar will appear in the left corner of the page. Click on add section button. After clicking on the add section button, click on the video background button. Click on the video background button. Now click on video slide. After that, paste the copied link in the bar that you have copied of the video. Now paste the link. After pasting the link and also doing changes according to your requirements, click on the save button. Here you go with background video. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.